Guys, back from our video, and today we're going to be solving this geometry question. Now may I read it to you guys. The circle has radius 1 centimeters. Two vertices of the square lie on the circle. One edge of the square goes through the center of the circle as shown. What is the area of the square? And you have your answer choices down here. And yeah, you have the picture over here on the right. And yeah, go ahead and try to solve this problem yourself. Okay, I assume you've done that. Now let's do it together. So let me draw out the square. Let me put it white. Let me try to draw it. It's not gonna be the best. Actually, I don't need to draw it. Let me erase that. I can just use the screen up, the picture up. Okay. There we go. Okay, so now let me show you. So we can label the side length of one of these square sides as x. Let me put it in a black. X. And then we can label this part from the center of the circle to the vertice of the square. We can label it as x over 2, since one of the edges goes through the center of the circle. So split it in two. So yeah, so we have x is the side length of the square, and half the side length would be x over 2. And using the Pythagorean theorem, we can see that if we draw a dotted line, it's not going to be the best dotted line, up to this corner, we get this length. Well, if we look at the the question, it says the circle has a radius of 1 centimeter, and the radius is from the center of the circle to a point on the edge of the circle. And this vertice is on the edge of the circle. So this dotted line is 1 radius, or r. And since it says it's 1 centimeters, r would be equal to 1. You can just say that r is equal to 1. So now if we use the Greek theorem, I'm going to say, it's hard to say the word. If we use that theorem, we have x squared plus x over 2 squared equals 1 squared. So now we can rewrite this as x squared plus x squared over 4 equals 1, since 1 squared is just 1. So now we have to make the denominators the same. So we multiply this x squared over 1, you can think of it. We multiply it by 4, and we can multiply this x squared over 4 by 1. Then this gives us, then we get 4x squared plus x squared over 4. The reason I can do this is since they have the same denominator, I can just put it like this, equals 1. So now if we add these up, this gives us 5x squared over 4 equals 1. So now, if we multiply both sides by 4, let me do that. Multiply both sides by 4. Well, this times 4 and this divide by 4 just cancel out, since multiplication and division are inverse operations. And we just do 4 times 1, which is just 4. So this gives us, this equals 5x squared equals 4. And now we just have to divide both sides by 5. And then we get x squared equals 4/5. Now, you may think we need to find x here, but it's saying what is the area of the square. And if we labeled the side length of one side of the square is x, well, then the area would be x squared, since it's x times x. So we basically found the area of the square already. And so then that means the area of the square is 4 fifths centimeters squared, since it's in centimeters, and it's the area, so you square it. And yeah, that means your answer is A. Put it in black. A. 4 fifths centimeters squared. Thank you for watching. I know, since I have school, I am uploading one time every 2 weeks now. School's a little bit tough, so yeah, that's why I'm not posting every week now. So just so you know, I'm not like taking a break or anything. But yeah, thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day, and bye.